Hello Aries, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for Aries, July the 21st to the 23rd. Ayan, medyo maayos na ang ating schedule. So, Aries, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell para po ma-notify kayo every time na tayo nagre-release po no, ng bagong video. So, Aries, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Ayan, Aries, magsimula na tayo. So parang ang nakikita ko dito, parang yung damang-dama mo itong relationship mo, no? Nakikita ko nga dito parang sinasabi mo, hopefully, no? You're crossing your fingers na sana ito na. Meron mang mga challenges, no, sa buhay natin ngayon or sa relationship natin, pero sinasabi mo dito na, this is just a part, no, ng aming connection. Kasi parang sinasabi mo dito, baka nga din meron din akong mga pagkukulang, no, or meron din akong mga nagawa, no, why we are in this connection, no. Yung iba sa inyo medyo sabihin natin, kung hindi bago-bago, no, itong relationship na ito, sabihin natin may mga bago tayo mga nadi-discover. There's something here that's kind of new, no. What I'm also seeing here is yung iba sa inyo, parang nakikita ko, no, either pet lover, no? It doesn't matter what kind of pet. So, anong relevance? Wala, nakita ko lang na medyo pet lover tayo. I think that if there's something na merong mga nangyayari, no, we actually, sabihin natin, or it could also be there's something about the animal in here, or it could be your animal instinct, no, bago pa man mangyari itong sabihin natin mga pagkakagulo, no, you're trying to figure it out. You can sense danger, no, with bright like a candle, kala ko diamond, no, parang ikaw yung sabihin natin nagdadala ng relationship, ikaw yung kahit sabihin mong ako na lang yung magpapakumbaba, which is not so Aries type of, you know, attitude. Pero kumbaga, you've learned, you're adjusting. That is actually good. The Four of Wands, the Seven of Wands, the Three of Swords, the Seven of Pentacles, and the Ace of Cups. Nako, Aries, ha? Parang we are being affected by some other zodiacs in our in our houses, but that's okay, you know, kasi we often tend to mix, no, with some other zodiacs nga na meron sa chart natin. But I feel like medyo si Aries ngayon medyo soft, no, sa kanyang relationship. Well, kasi nakikita niya nga na siguro I need to adjust dahil nga din, you know, this is a relationship. This relationship is a two-way street, di ba? Hindi naman pwedeng puro ako lang. Aries, for parang nagiging understanding tayo with the Seven of Wands and the Three of Swords. Hindi ba parang masyado tayong pinahihina ng pagmamahal na ito? Which is somewhat we can say siguro positive din, pero meron din ditong cons kasi itong sabihin nating paghihina ng relationship. Kasi Aries is sabihin natin madali siyang maka-move on, di ba? Pero mahirap kasi pumasok sa puso ni Aries eh. Pero pag pinatuloy ka niya, doon mo makikita yung soft side niya, no? So parang ito, you are parang pinapatahimik, kumbaga the animal instinct in you, no? Parang sinasabi nung person mo, kalma lang, no? Sa sobrang pagkakalma, the consequence of it, bakit parang medyo umaaray tayo, no? Parang may gusto tayong sabihin, meron tayong mga gustong iparating, no? To a point na siguro nasasaktan tayo pero we are observing. Siguro we are observing also ourselves, no? Katulad ng sabi ko kanina, baka sinasabi niyo, ay, baka ako to, baka ako yung may problema, no? Which is other side of the Aries na hindi nakikita ng iba na understanding din naman, baka kasi ang akala lang ng mga tao, ay naku, pag Aries yan, laging mainitin ang ulo, no? Laging agresibo, no? Pero pag eto nga, si person nakapasok sa puso mo, nahuli, no? Ang kiliti at ang soft side ni Aries. So, bakit naman nasasaktan with the Princess of Cups and the Four of Pentacles? So, bakit parang feeling mo na deprived ka ng attention, affection, no? Parang you want more in here, which is hindi binibigay or hindi pa naibibigay ni person. With the Seven of Pentacles, you're waiting. Ang nangyari kasi dito, Aries, sa relationship ninyo is parang hindi mo na-foresee. Ikaw yung unang, hindi naman sabihin na nga natin, sige, unang nagmahal or ikaw yung unang na-fall, yung nakapagbigay, no? Wow. It's actually, inis ba ito sa sarili? Medyo naiinis ka rin sa sarili mo kasi of all, parang ang dami ko na rin pinagdaanan sa buhay. Parang hindi pa ako nagoyo ng ganito. yung term, 'di ba? Parang hindi pa ako nagoyo ng ganito. Parang walang lumagpas sa akin. Itong tao lang na to. Sobra yung emotion, yung love natin. With the Queen of Swords, so nandito na, nagsisimula na tayo. The universe, which is actually the world card in here. Pero mas maganda yung depiction nung author, no, nung creator ng tarot na ito kasi they put it on the universe. The Five of Pentacles, the Seven of Cups, and the Nine of Cups. Uy, Aries. Feeling mo, bakit parang ikaw yung lalayo or gusto mong lumayo? Why? Kasi hindi mo nakukuha ang gusto? Or feeling mo, actually, I'm seeing different sides here. Yung Aries na, di ba, hati naman kasi yung Aries. I think there's, February and March. So, ang nakikita ko dito, tama ba? No, March and April, I'm sorry. Yeah, March and April. Apologies. Talagang nag-isip ako, no? March and April. Ayan. Going back. So, ang sinasabi natin dito, the Five of Pentacles, yung isang side ng Aries is parang nakikita dito, aalis ba si person ko? Unahan ko na kaya, no? Parang feeling niya dito, bago pa ako masaktan, no? Layasan ko na. Ayan. So, hindi rin naman pala. The Aries side in you is still dominant. Yung other side naman, you felt like, uy, bago mo ako saktan, dahil nakakakita ako ng, I might be competing, no? Whether it is with the attention, affection, love through your person's focus right now, or there might be a third party. One thing's for sure, you don't want to compete with the Seven of Cups in here. Parang sinabi mo, kung ako, edi ako. Kung hindi, edi wag. Bakit kita pipilitin? With the Empress in here and the Five of Swords. Parang kasi sa'yo, pinaglaban mo naman. no? Pinaglaban mo naman itong relationship. Pero I feel like somehow, no, somehow, parang sinasabi mo dito, kapag, well, let's say, this could be my last resort, no? This could be my last chance for this. If I wasn't able to get what I wanted in this relationship, then probably I might call it quits, no? So, pinaglalaban mo talaga ng maigi. No, you did your part. Um, si Aries kasi hindi yan basta-basta din sumusuko, no? Kasi, pero once pala na bigla niyang naisip na, oh, it's enough, I think I must say bye, no? Are you losing hope? Are you losing hope in this relationship? Kasi, ang nagpapalakas sa'yo, alam mo, yung sarili mo. Pinapalakas mo yung sarili mo. Which is good. Para kasing yung mga nangyayari, yung mga na-observe mo, somehow you feel like you were pushed. Pinaglaban mo naman. You are on the verge of kahit mahal kita, no? Parang I'm not going to beg for love. Paubos na, no? Paubos na itong pasensya ni Aries sa kanyang love of their life. Nako, kung sino man to, no? Kung cross-watchers man ang nanonood, kung mahal niyo naman pa si Aries, huwag niyo nang pahirapan dahil I feel like Aries is about to lose their shit. And kapag umayaw siya, hindi natin masasabi kung babalik pa, no? Or maibabalik pa itong relationship. Ano? So, tingnan natin dito ang nararamdaman either ni Aries or ng person, no? I dream about you last night and don't pressure me. So, I think this is both, no? I dream about you last night. I think that this is also Aries. Parang yung iba sa inyo, you are being haunted by the memories of what? The past, by the memories of the relationship per se, by the memories of this relationship, no? Wow, I think that the don't pressure me is also coming from Aries. Medyo triggered na, no? Si Aries, and I feel like tulad ng sinabi ko, konting-konti na lang. Aries is about to lose their shit. Parang eto na yung sinasabi ni Juan Carlos, no? Nakakapusang ina, no? Ayan. Oh wow. So, tingnan natin ang zodiac sign. Natakot ako bigla doon sa energy ni Aries kasi pag ito biglang nanuwag, ewan na lang natin. You know? Ang zodiac sign, ako yung natakot sa energy ni Aries. Aries, the zodiac sign here can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Sagittarius, Pisces, Scorpio, Taurus, Leo, Cancer, Virgo, Capricorn. Yan. So, that is your reading. And para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. So kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yun, that is Babaylan TV. Meron din po tayong mga readings doon, so might as well check on it. Aries, no? Tuloy pa rin ang ating manhunt. Ayan. So, I'm seeing good result, no? I'm feeling good result on our manhunt. Nandun pa rin po sa description box yung mga links na pwede niyong i-report, no? And we're doing great job on it. Tapos, yung raffle is ready pa rin, no? So, pwede pa naman kayong magtanong sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And Aries, sa description box po, no, nandun din ang ating link for our website. Pwede kayong magtanong doon, how much per question, QR codes, everything. And if you also want to book a personal reading, nandun din po yan. So, Aries, this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.